Hi, Duncan here from the Hedgebook product team. In this video, I want to show you how quick and easy it is to use the Hedgebook Fast Forward valuation software to value many FX forward contracts. Our FX broker partners are using the software to improve internal processes, comply with regulatory obligations, and enhance client mark-to-market reporting. Accessing the software is via a URL, username, and password. Once you have logged in, you can choose to either provide the CSV file for doing the valuations, or you can download a separate file that shows all the spot rates used within the valuations. Top right, we can see the date of the latest rate load on the system. We use New York 5 p.m. end of day rates, and they are updated daily. The system takes in a CSV file. Here we are using a standard Hedgebook template, but it can be configured to suit your preferred format. There are some key pieces of data that need to be in the file in order to process it: buy and sell amounts, maturity dates, etc. Here I am selecting the CSV file and the date for the valuation. The default is always the most recent data loaded in the system, but you can select historic valuation dates. I am selecting the Process and Export Spot Rates option, which means once the valuation process is complete, Hedgebook will move on to the second process of generating a file of spot rates. The 50 deals correspond to the number of deals in the CSV file. The time it takes for the process to complete will be determined largely by the number of deals in the file, but also things like the speed of your internet connectivity. You can see the small example file of 50 deals completes within a few seconds. This process can be scaled and used for multiple thousands of deals. Once completed, two files are created in the Downloads folder, one for valuations and one for spot rates. The Valuations file contains the details of the original file and is enriched with additional columns of data out to the right-hand side. We can see the valuation, the rates used, the discount factors, plus any supporting notes. For example, we can see an error message here relating to a deal with a maturity date that is before the valuation date. The Rates file shows Hedgebook spot rates and can be tailored to the specific currency pairs that are relevant to you. Hopefully this video highlights how quick and easy the process is to generate valuations for FX forwards in bulk. Please get in touch if you would like to know more.